This is my jam. Hi, bestie. This is my girl. If you've ever stood in the cleaning aisle wondering what actually works, you are in the right place. Our editors tested products that don't just make your home look clean, but actually help it feel clean too. We spent hundreds of hours researching and testing cleaning products in our homes to create our 2026 Cleaning Awards, and there are 50 winners. We divided our winners into two categories: tools and solutions. We'll start with the cleaning tools, the devices you use to clean your home, and the foundation of every good routine. Our hope that these tools and solutions will change your life, just like they did ours. Let's start in the kitchen, because dishes never end. This is the Bright by Scotch-Brite dish wand with drain and dry stand. This dish wand has a built-in soap dispenser so you're not juggling bottles, and the stand lets it drain and dry instead of sitting in gross water by your sink. It also keeps the sponge from getting icky. It's simple, but once you use it, you don't want to go back. Grout is one of those things you don't realize is dirty until you clean it. Designed to deep clean tight, awkward spaces, this small but very mighty grout brush has an angled head that gives you better leverage and control. Extra sturdy bristles that scrub away stuck-on grime, and two built-in scrapers that make it so easy to tackle corners and really stubborn residue. It's also made from 100% recycled fishing nets, and it's dishwasher safe. This is one of those tools where like the before and after is wild. This little cloth replaces stacks of paper towels. This is the Stasher reusable Swedish dishcloth. When I say replaces stacks of paper towels, what I mean is just one of these dishcloths replaces up to 17 rolls of paper towels. You can use them to clean and dust surfaces, absorb spills, wash dishes, even clean produce, because they're 100% food safe. They can also be cleaned between uses with soap and water, although you can always toss them in the dishwasher or washing machine for deeper cleans. And yes, we did try them on glass and mirrors. These Stasher dishcloths don't only deliver a streak-free clean, but they also don't leave any fuzzy lint pieces behind. Speaking of streak-free clean, this $25 cleaning tool lives in my shower at all times. This is the OXO Good Grip stainless steel squeegee. It lives right next to my dish wand, and together they really fight the good fight to keep my shower clean. Here's what we love about this one and why it won. It gets the job done in one pass, and it only weighs a ½ pound, so it conveniently hangs on any adhesive suction holder of any kind. I'll use the squeegee to clear water from the glass. It's the finishing touch of my cleaning routine, and it really ensures the glass door looks streak-free and sparkling. Do you ever feel like when it comes to dusting, you're getting pranked? Like as soon as you wipe it away, it's showing its face again a day later? Dusting doesn't feel productive unless the dust is actually gone. So that's where this comes in. This is Bona High Performance Dusting System. It grabs and traps dust instead of just pushing the dust around. Now this duster comes in this compact form, but it also comes in an extendable form with an extendable handle. This compact form and the extendable handle form both come with reusable dusters and disposable dusters, which we love. Our editors have tested a lot of irons and steamers, and honestly, most people fall into one group or the other. Irons give you that crisp finish, but the cords are so annoying. Steamers are gentler, but they can take longer. So this one surprised us. The Panasonic cordless lightweight steam dry iron won for best iron because it actually combines the best of both worlds, and even won over some editors who had sworn off ironing entirely. In use, it works like a traditional iron, but it also has powerful vertical steam, so you can tackle stubborn wrinkles or fresh and delicate fabrics without any damage. One thing to know, it doesn't stand upright on its own. You rest it on the base between pieces, but our editors found that trade-off was worth it for how well it performs. Next up, the cleaning solutions, the formulas that transform effort into results. These are the sprays, pastes, powders, and sanitizers our editors tested on real messes in our real homes. They're the finishing touches that make a home feel truly clean. I'll tell you a secret. Our editors have loved the Pink Stuff for years. So when the brand launched a new squeezable version of their cleaning base, we had to test it. The Pink Stuff Miracle Squeezable Paste comes in a tube, so you just squeeze it right where you need it, no scooping, no mess. The original paste is known for how effective it is, but digging it out of a tub could get a little messy, and it needed a careful hand on a delicate surface. This new version solves both of those problems. During testing, our editors loved using it on stovetops and tough stuck-on messes. A little goes a whole long way, and with a gentle scrub, it cuts through buildup without feeling too harsh. If you already love the pink stuff like we do, or want an effective, easy-to-use cleaning paste that earns a spot under the sink, this updated version of a real favorite really stood out. This classic has been around for over a century, and part of the reason it works so well is its active ingredient, oxalic acid. And you can use it on a lot of stuff, from stainless steel and porcelain to ceramic and glass, copper, and even plastic surfaces. We do want to mention, it is a mild abrasive, so it really shines on hard surfaces, but should not be used on delicate materials like marble, granite, or non-porous stone. But overall, this cleaning solution is always in our kit. Put simply, BKF is our BFF. Our editors tested a lot of window and glass cleaners, and one formula really surprised us. Windex Fast Shine Foam is our winner for Apartment Therapy's favorite window and glass cleaner. Okay, we all know Windex, but this foam version changes the experience. Instead of a liquid spray that streaks, the foam actually clings to glass. During testing, our editors love that it stayed put on vertical surfaces like windows, mirrors, and glass shower doors, which means no racing against the clock and no streaks. Another big win, a little goes a long way. Hold on, we're not done just yet. There are more winners to meet. Come on over to the couch with me. Now, let's talk about floors. This robot vacuum really impressed us. And yes, we really put it to the test. This is Roborock's thinnest vacuum yet, which means it can clean those hard to reach spots under furniture. It's about 3 inches tall, so it gets places most vacuums can't. Its frame automatically lifts and lowers to adapt between hardwood floors and carpet. And it can clear different floor level thresholds, so it makes it perfect for uneven flooring. It uses 3D scanning to map and navigate your home. And what's especially smart is that it keeps updating that map over time.
Returning to dock.
We know it's not cheap, but after testing it, we honestly get why it's priced this way. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that does a lot and does it well, this is a powerful option that we all stand by. Now, the robot vacuum covers the kind of dust you can see, but what about the dust you can't see when you're cleaning? Let's talk about air purifiers and our favorite one in that department. This purifier quietly improves your air quality by capturing allergens and pollutants without taking over your space. We've tested dozens of air purifiers, and we've noticed that most purifiers, they can get quite noisy. But if you're looking for something that's whisper quiet, like say for your bedroom or a baby's room, it can feel like there are really limited options. The HushJet Compact Purifier is Dyson's most compact, small format purifier that works for rooms up to about 200 square feet. The whole air purifier is fully sealed, which means that none of the pollutants it sucks up go back out into the air. When you live in a small space, every square foot counts. And that's why we awarded this product our best air purifier for small spaces. Okay, now let's talk spills. Why is it always when you're right in the middle of something, a spill happens? After testing spot and stain cleaners on real messes, our editors named the Shark Stain Force our best spot and stain cleaner. It's under 7 pounds and completely cordless, which makes it incredibly easy to grab when something happens. Even though it's lightweight, make no mistake, it's powerful. You get a scrubbing stain tool with reversible bristles, a crevice tool for tight spots, and a dual formula spray that breaks down stains and odors on contact. During testing, we let the solution sit for a few minutes, and after just a few passes, stains lifted away, easier than expected. If you want a spot cleaner that's fast, effective, and actually convenient, this one really stood out to us. Dog mom of 2 here, and if you have pets like me, you already know the fur gets absolutely everywhere. That's why our editors also tested cordless vacuums specifically for pet owners. And the Bissell Power Clean Fur Guard won Best Cordless Vacuum for pet owners. Look at this. It converts from a stick vacuum to this convenient handheld, which makes cleaning furniture and stairs so much easier when you have pets. And the Fur Guard brush roll does a great job lifting pet hair from carpets and upholstery. One big pro that our team loved is how easy this is to maneuver. It doesn't feel like a whole production of vacuum, and the headlights on the attachments are another standout because you can actually see the fur and dust you're removing. Every single product I've introduced you to today earned a special place in our hearts. We spent hundreds of hours testing them with real messes in our real homes to give real feedback to you. And these winners earned this. To meet more winners, visit apartmenttherapy.com. So fresh and so clean, it says it. No, just kidding.